You can actually use ChatGPT's latest Pro features completely for free, and today I'm going to show you the exact updated method to make it happen. Before we dive into the steps, it is important to understand how this workaround functions so you know exactly what to expect. This method relies on using a shared account through browser tokens, which means you are navigating a shared environment rather than a private subscription. Because of this, there are a few built-in limitations and standard warnings you should keep in mind. Since multiple people access these credentials, privacy is the biggest factor. You should never input sensitive personal data, private coding projects, or confidential information into this account, as other users on the shared network might be able to see your chat history. Additionally, these shared accounts often hit their strict hourly or daily message caps quickly. When I was testing this out, the standard ChatGPT Pro high-speed message limits happened to be completely finished for my session at that moment. However, even when the primary message cap is maxed out, the workaround still gives you access to a massive toolkit. I was still easily able to explore and use features like custom GPTs, specialized agent modes, and the advanced deep thinking models that you normally cannot access on a standard free tier. If you want to try it out for yourself, the process is straightforward but requires precise execution. First, you need to head over to the website shown right here on the screen and create a basic user account. Just type in your name, your email, your phone number, and a secure password. Then go ahead and click Create Account. I am doing the exact same thing right alongside you so we can track the process together. Once your new registration is complete and your account is active, look closely at the dashboard for the specific option that says Active ChatGPT Pro and click on it. From this point forward, you need to follow the steps very carefully because a single mistake will cause the connection to fail. The first mandatory step is to visit the official ChatGPT website and completely log out of your original personal account. If you stay logged into your existing profile, the browser will conflict and the shared token will not register. The second step requires a quick browser modification. Head over to your browser's web store, search for the Cookie Editor extension, and install it. After the installation finishes, just click on the extension icon in your toolbar. The tool will immediately ask for configuration permissions, so go ahead and grant it full permissions so it can modify the necessary browser data. Now, jump back to the original website where we just signed up and locate the text block containing the cookie's JSON code. Select the entire block and copy it to your clipboard. With that code successfully copied, navigate back to the official ChatGPT login page and click on your Cookie Editor extension icon once again. Look closely for the Import button, click it, and paste the entire JSON code directly into the empty text box before hitting the final import confirmation. Once that is done, wait a couple of seconds for the data to settle and then completely restart or refresh your browser tab. Just like that, the page will bypass the standard login wall and you will be instantly logged in to a shared premium account where you can experience ChatGPT Pro for free. Because this method relies on volatile browser data, you need to be prepared for some technical instability. It is a highly temporary workaround and the shared cookies can expire or get cleared by the system at any moment. Sometimes, even if you restart the tab perfectly, you might not log in successfully on your first attempt, and the interface will throw an error stating that your session has expired. If you see that message, do not worry or give up on the spot. I had to face this exact frustrating problem for a couple of days straight while trying to get everything verified. The cookies are updated frequently, and after being patient and trying the sequence many times, I was finally able to get it working perfectly, which is exactly why this video was created, to save you time and show you that persistence pays off. Now that you've seen the entire process from start to finish, it's important to understand that methods like this can be unpredictable. What works today may stop working tomorrow, and there's never a guarantee that access will remain available for long. In many cases, users run into issues such as expired sessions, login failures, access restrictions, or other technical problems that prevent the method from working consistently. Even when everything appears to be functioning correctly, the experience can change without notice. It's also worth paying attention to security. Whenever a website asks you to install browser extensions, import data, or grant permissions, make sure you understand exactly what those permissions allow and what information may be accessible. The internet is full of different workarounds and tricks, but not every method delivers the results people expect. Taking a few minutes to understand the risks, limitations, and privacy implications can save you a lot of frustration later. As technology continues to evolve, new tools and methods will keep appearing. The most important thing is staying informed, protecting your personal information, and making decisions that keep your accounts secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials, tech guides, and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.